Hi all, my name is Nathan Ansbaugh. I gave you guys an update a few months ago from inside one of our ED rooms where we take care of the sickest of the sick COVID-19 patients, and unfortunately there is not a room for me to go in, so I'm standing outside our emergency department to give you guys an honest and transparent but unfortunately somewhat grim update as we head into this holiday weekend. In the past 24 hours, we have had double the rate of admissions for COVID-19 related illness. And we are seeing a higher number of people admitted to our hospital right now than we have ever seen in the entirety of this last 4 months during the pandemic. In my experience alone in the last several days in the emergency department, I have taken care of half a dozen or so new diagnoses of COVID. My goal is not to point fingers, and my goal is not to scare everyone, but my goal is to communicate an honest, somewhat desperation about what's happening here, and to ask that everyone who lives in this community and takes care of this community and has family in this community supports our community in staying open and staying safe. That means this weekend for the 4th of July, unfortunately, we're asking that people don't go out into large gatherings, that people are using excellent hand hygiene, that people are putting on a mask if they're in public, and that they're being very, very cognizant of the severity of what's happening in our community right now. Unfortunately, we can't count on everyone to keep us safe, and so we can only do as much as we can as individuals, and it's a social responsibility to keep our community open and healthy and safe. Right now, all I ask as a physician and as a prior epidemiologist who worked for the CDC and the Oregon Health Authority is that you listen and that you care about this information and you pass it along. We can do a better job in our community of taking care of each other and keeping our community safe and open. We can't control everything that happens, but we need to do a better job or else we're going to experience a crisis. Please be smart and safe over the holiday weekend and protect us by protecting yourselves. Take care.